What's going on, everybody? Official Keith here, and today we have a watch face from the main man, Matteo Dini, and this watch face is the MD93. Nice looking watch face, has a sweeping second hand that's going, as you can see right there. Nice size numbers, great font, and let's just go ahead and go through some of the touch points on the watch face. Right here at the bottom, if you touch here, you'll go into your alarm. Right here will be your music player. So if you have music stored on your gear watch, you can access it there. Right here is going to be your messages. Oh, Amber Alert. Amber alerts are no jokes. Y'all get these, man. Y'all make sure y'all pay attention to those and don't just delete them. Right here is going to be your battery. It tells you your battery percentage. And if you look on the watch itself, like, it'll give you today's date, which is the 6th. Right here, you'll see your step counter. And then again, you can also see your battery percentage right here. So that's pretty awesome. And then if you double tap, you can also change the colors. So you can find the color that best gets you going. And of course, this watch face has always on display, and that's what it looks like with the always on display. So again, this is this watch face again is called the MD93. If you go to the Gear App Store, just type in MD93 and you'll be able to get this watch face. Also, if you want to look at all of what he's done, just type in Matteo Dini and it'll pull up his catalog of watch faces. As always, thanks for watching my videos. If you like the video, smash that like button. And if you subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Until next time, this is Official Keith. You're now official, and we'll see you later.